Well, it's my first day fly fishing, and given the water temperatures and the daytime temperatures, which today I saw it peaking at about 103, not that favorable for fishing, or for trout fishing anyways. I did move a little bit further upstream. I really liked the deep water here, and this was going to be a shady side, so it would be cooler. But without the knowledge and experience, I can't be sure that I'm doing things entirely wrong, as opposed to just the elements, although that cast certainly did not look good. Oops. Yeah, a little bit better. It is a very beautiful sight, though. It is very quiet, except for the occasional person driving way too fast, of course, up here. So I never understand, most time on the Kern River, you're seeing really beautiful territory. Not to mention, it's one bad move and you're definitely going to need a new vehicle. Yeah, a little hard to balance holding a camera. I'll have to get a GoPro. I really feel strongly that there's got to be good fish in here. I'm going to call it the rope swing, because it's like someone had some sort of swing over here. That's what caught my attention. If it's deep enough to swing off the boulders and land in the water, it's got to be deep enough to attract trout seeking to cool off. And I've been cooling off when it's shady over here. Yeah. But I'm also knee deep to waist deep in the river. Like I said, I wear 511s almost all the time for work. Be no different for trout fishing. I saw a lot of people wearing Columbia pants today. The cute little zipper around the knee. God, those pants, nothing personal, but those are just about the sissiest outdoor pants there are. They practically tear just looking at them. 511s don't tear. All the rock work I've done, I've never had a problem. And they dry off quickly. Then I wear self-wicking socks. And I learned from my ladybug harvesting days, when I used to have to walk the creeks or the rivers quite a bit, just better to have 3 pairs of disposable outdoor hiking shoes and just go straight in the water. And you just have to go from here over to there to get a really good bed of ladybugs. There's just no way around it. You just have to get in the water and do it. And taking his shoes off and all that. You just go right in there with your shoes, and everything dries out in the summer heat, fall heat pretty quickly. Oh, we'll see if I can catch a fish. I am thinking about getting just my other casting reel and just going with some power bait.